Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we dive into the top-performing products that everyone's talking about. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey through the world of marine technology, specifically focusing on the best-selling radar systems on Amazon. We're counting down the cream of the crop, showcasing radar systems that redefine what's possible on the water. From groundbreaking features to unparalleled performance, this countdown will illuminate the very best in radar technology, ensuring you're equipped with the insights you need to make informed choices. So, without further ado, let's set sail into the world of cutting-edge radar systems and discover the leaders of the pack. Here's your number 5 pick in our countdown of the best-selling radar systems on Amazon. Introducing the Simrad Go 9 XSE Chartplotter and Fish Finder, a marvel of marine technology. Dive into an unparalleled navigation experience with the Simrad Go 9 XSE. This 9-inch multifunctional display is a powerhouse of innovation and ease. Equipped with a dazzlingly bright multi-touch widescreen, it ensures clarity and precision even in the harshest sunlight. The Go 9 XSE seamlessly integrates advanced features that cater to every maritime need. Picture this: a built-in echosounder that brings you more than just depth information. It offers chirp, forward scan, side scan, and down scan capabilities, each delivering crystal-clear images to enhance your fishing and navigation prowess. Imagine having radar functionality at your fingertips, thanks to the included Halo 20 radar and radar port. Connect to Simrad's solid-state radar for unrivaled situational awareness. The Go 9 XSE doesn't just stop at high-definition imagery. It's equipped with GPS, built-in Wi-Fi for mobile device mirroring, and direct connectivity to autopilot, communication systems, and engine controls via NMEA 2000. This means you're not only navigating with the best tools available, but also effortlessly integrating them into your onboard systems. Included in this package are all the essentials: a 9-pin 83200 kHz transom mount transducer, a Go 9 XSE sun cover for those sun-drenched days, a CMAP Discover card offering comprehensive coastal and inland coverage of the US and the Bahamas, and all necessary mounting hardware. The Simrad Go 9 XSE is not just a chart plotter and fish finder. It's your command center on the water, combining functionality, advanced technology, and user-friendly design into one exceptional system. At number 4 in our countdown of the best-selling radar systems on Amazon, we present the Scanstrut APT-15001 Aluminum Powertower. This is more than just a mounting solution. It's a robust, versatile piece of engineering that stands as a testament to high performance and durability. The Scanstrut APT-15001 is a marvel of aluminum construction, designed specifically for those who demand the utmost in reliability and strength. With its sleek 6-inch profile, this power tower provides a sturdy platform for radomes, open-array radar systems, and even small SATCOM or TV antennas. Why settle for less when you can have a mounting solution that perfectly balances form and function? The APT-15001 is not just about holding equipment in place. It's about ensuring that your radome or antenna is securely mounted for optimal performance. Its aluminum build offers unparalleled resistance to corrosion and wear, making it ideal for the harsh marine environment. Imagine the peace of mind you'll experience knowing your radar or antenna system is supported by a structure designed to withstand the elements and the test of time. The Scanstrut APT-15001 doesn't just meet the standard, it sets it. This is the solution for serious mariners and tech enthusiasts who value precision, reliability, and quality. Whether you're mounting a radome, open-array radar, or a small SATCOM or TV antenna, the APT-15001 ensures that your equipment is positioned for maximum effectiveness. With Scanstrut, you're not just investing in a product, you're investing in performance that endures. The APT-15001 Power Tower is a testament to what happens when cutting-edge design meets exceptional durability. At number 3 in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling radar systems on Amazon, we have a game-changer for marine navigation enthusiasts: the AA01021110M scanner cable for 3G and 4G radar. Picture this: you're out on the water, navigating the vast expanse with precision and confidence. The last thing you want is a cable that can't keep up with your advanced radar system. Enter the AA010211, a 10-meter scanner cable designed to seamlessly integrate with your 3G and 4G radar systems, ensuring uninterrupted performance and reliability. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this cable is more than just a length of wire. It's engineered to handle the rigorous demands of marine environments, offering superior durability and resistance to the harsh elements. Whether you're dealing with saltwater spray, high humidity, or extreme temperatures, the AA010211 is built to last. Its length provides the flexibility you need for optimal placement of your radar system, allowing for versatile installations without compromising on signal integrity. The connection between your radar and its scanner is crucial, and this cable ensures that communication is clear and uninterrupted, allowing your radar to perform at its best. In the world of marine navigation, where every detail counts and every second matters, the AA01021110M scanner cable is your unsung hero. It's the silent partner in your quest for precision, providing the essential link between your radar and its scanning capabilities. Choose the AA010211 for a reliable connection that stands up to the challenges of the open sea. And experience the peace of mind that comes from knowing your radar system is operating at peak performance. Are you enjoying our countdown of the best-selling radar systems on Amazon? If you're hooked and don't want to miss a beat, hit that like button, subscribe, and give the bell icon a good ring so you're always on deck with the latest updates. At number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling radar systems on Amazon, we present the Garmin GMR Fantom Trademark 18X Dome Radar, a true marvel of marine technology. The Garmin GMR Fantom Trademark 18X is not just another radar. It's a sophisticated 18-inch, 50-watt solid-state dome radar that transforms your navigation experience. With its impressive long-range capabilities and refined target detection, this radar is engineered to elevate your maritime adventures. Imagine having the power to adjust target resolution on screen for pinpoint accuracy. The Fantom Trademark 18X offers just that with its target size feature, allowing you to tailor the radar's output based on your specific surroundings. This precision is further enhanced by a rotation speed of up to 60 revolutions per minute, providing a refresh rate that ensures you catch every movement, no matter the speed of your vessel. Power management? The Fantom Trademark 18X has you covered. With a power save feature, you can draw exactly the amount of power you need, optimizing performance while conserving energy. The timed transmit mode is a game changer, enabling you to set active and inactive periods with unparalleled precision, reducing power consumption and extending radar life. But that's not all. The Garmin GMR Fantom Trademark 18X incorporates MotionScope technology, leveraging the Doppler effect to detect and highlight moving targets in different colors on your Chartplotter. This revolutionary feature not only identifies targets, but also indicates their direction, making collision avoidance more intuitive than ever. True echo trails provide a historical trail on your Chartplotter, allowing you to easily track and interpret moving targets and potential threats. Dual range functionality means you can view split-screen images with separate range settings, giving you close and long-range perspectives simultaneously. And for the ultimate in reliability, dual radar support ensures that each compatible Chartplotter on your boat can access data from 2 different radar sources, providing an additional layer of redundancy. Dynamic auto gain automatically adjusts to varying conditions, guaranteeing optimal performance no matter where you are. The Garmin GMR Fantom Trademark 18X is more than a radar. It's your gateway to safer, more efficient navigation. With its blend of cutting-edge technology and practical features, it's no wonder this radar stands tall in our top 5 countdown. And now, at the pinnacle of our countdown, we unveil the #1 radar system on Amazon, the Lowrance Simrad NEP2 network expansion port. This isn't just a component, it's the cornerstone of a highly integrated marine navigation system. The NEP2 is the heart of connectivity in your maritime setup, designed to link multiple displays, radar systems, and echosounders into a seamless network. Imagine having a command center where every piece of information, chart data, waypoints, and routes, is shared effortlessly across all your devices. That's the power of the NEP2. Equipped with 5 Ethernet ports, this expansion port offers unparalleled flexibility. Connect radar modules, echosounders, weather modules, or even multiple displays with ease. The NEP2 supports Lowrance HDS, Simrad NSS, and Simrad NSO, ensuring compatibility with a range of industry-leading systems. With its high-speed performance, the NEP2 is designed for rapid data exchange, making real-time updates and adjustments smoother than ever. Its plug-and-play functionality means you can set it up quickly and without hassle. And of course, the NEP2 is fully waterproof, built to endure the harshest marine environments while delivering consistent, reliable performance. Measuring 7.75 inches wide, 6.9 inches long, and 2.26 inches high, it's compact yet powerful, fitting seamlessly into your boat's electronic setup without overwhelming your space. For those who demand the highest level of integration and reliability, the Lowrance Simrad NEP2 network expansion port is the ultimate choice. It's not just about connecting devices, it's about creating a unified system that enhances your navigation experience to unparalleled levels of efficiency and accuracy. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling radar systems on Amazon. To keep up with all the latest bestsellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the top products we featured today. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.